I'm telling you, Carnival Week was just non-stop parties and they were all good. But before we hit up the next one, let's hit up the Intense 5. Stars were out and stunting this carnival. Kai Cenat, Michael Rainey and loads more. Carnival in Jamaica is the place to be. Adidas has put in a major bid to sponsor the Jamaican athletics team next year. Puma's contract ends this year after Paris Olympics. Will it happen? But it is huge! Like huge. Tony Matterhorn is recovering well after surgery. He hasn't said what the surgery was for, but he assured fans it wasn't a BBL. Ice Spice is headed to big screen alongside the great Denzel. Must be nice. And finally holding the spot this week, the state of Kingston streets after Road March. There was garbage everywhere. The organizers blamed the external vendors, but no matter who it was, it did not look good. That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Follow us on IG at TVJ Intense for the latest in entertainment. Up next, Sanjay turns all different colors at Juve. Intense forward.